Air fryers are not equal when it comes to keeping the temperature the same. I've had two, outgrew the first one and got the big one that you probably hear working right now. We were having company for dinner, and I thought I'll just use both of the air fryers and have dinner ready quicker. Prepared the same way. Both air fryers were set at the same temperature and for the same time. I pushed the button at the same time on both air fryers. The small air fryer took quite a bit longer to cook than the big one did. I have a friend who has used many of my recipes. Her air fryer is hotter than mine. She has to adjust her temperature down just a little bit. I've never seen a thermometer that you can put in the air fryer to see if it's correct temperature or not. I looked at Bed Bath & Beyond in a couple of places. We just have to check the basket and adjust the temperature. If there's something that you do to lower the sodium in your food, I would love to hear about it. A trick or a tip. Please leave me a comment. I'm always looking for ways to lower the sodium for us. Your idea could be something that I've just never thought of. And maybe you'll see it in a future low sodium video.